What's going on, everybody? Good morning. It is June 27th. Jeff Beggins here with you in beautiful Madeira Beach. We are just cruising. I'm going to give you a few updates today. We'll have quite a few things posted today on the channel. But today is, get that sign right there, Taylor. Today, we're going to show you a little about what's going on with the Beachmaker. Because a lot's happening, man. A lot's happening. So what we're doing, Beachmaker, if you haven't been following, is the coolest project we've ever been part of, that we own, we're developing, we're selling, we're everything in it. And this is a 161 room Marriott autograph collection, beautiful resort that we're actually selling rooms for a few lucky owners, and 10 penthouse condos up on the rooftop. And it's a Marriott autograph collection, luxury level. It is upscale, gorgeous, beautiful, unlike anything else in the whole area. So we just pulled up here. I'll give you a sneak peek just so you kind of see the evolution, because you guys like watching the process. So we are about to we've taken over one of the old rental spaces here, and that's going to become our sales center. So I'll just kind of peek in and we'll just show you what's going on. The guys today will be here just painting and just getting it all prepped up and cleaned. And we're doing kind of a minimalistic retail look inside. It looks really cool. And I am stuck here. So my mic is stuck, but we'll free that one and I'll show you the inside. Wrap me around. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's walk here and just kind of show you where we are. Kind of, maybe we could drop in a little Google Maps to show kind of where we're actually standing right here. And I've got Archibald Park, Madeira Beach, the actual beach right behind me. This is the CVS. This is downtown Madeira Beach, right? We're on Madeira Way, Gulf Boulevard. This big triangle piece of property is where we're standing right here, and the beach is right there. Where the property is going to be is all of this is coming down, right? And we're going to have 30,000 square foot of retail going on the ground level here. We're going to have 2 levels of parking. Then we're going to have rooms on level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7, and then on the 8th floor are going to be 10 residential penthouse branded units going to be on the really, really top there. And it's going to be awesome. We're going to have high-end steakhouse, seafood houses on downstairs here, some cool, more bar-style restaurants too, and about 3 or 4 other places to eat upstairs, 2 pools, fitness center, meeting centers, wedding venues. It is going to be unbelievable over here. So we're super excited. I don't have the key on me right now. Long story behind that one, but take a peek in. And for our 90s rap fans, you'll appreciate this sign on the door. Might take you a second, but you'll get it. Push it. All right, over here, peeking on the inside. We don't have anything in here yet. We've got the TVs have been delivered. The Wi-Fi blocks are being delivered today. We're doing some painting. We're getting some flooring in here, changing the baseboards, touching it up and getting the little sales centers going. We're planning to be open by 4th of July. And so we are really pushing that deadline, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna figure it out. So that's what's happening here. Yesterday we had our sales team. I've got 6 dedicated people. We're going to staff this 7 days a week, every day, right here, because this is going to be a really, really popular project, guys. We already have 50-something reserved out of 161, and we just need to get up to about the 85 number, and then we're going to be demoing and bringing everything up out of there. So we're close. So this is the time to get in. We're giving incentives for. We have condo docs ready. Everything's ready. So we're converting over. People are putting $5,000 refundable deposit for 15 days as you review all the docs and make sure it's something you want to do, and then it's 10% down. And then after once we're ready to break ground, we expect in Q1 of 25 this coming year, then the other 10% is due, so it'll be 20% down. How much are they? They are ranging around the 700s to the 800s, and then we have double rooms, which are double that, and suites that are double that. So ballpark pricing is 700,000 or 800,000, and then the suites are around $1.3 million ish. So it depends on the floor, the view, the location, but that's kind of the ballpark. So in essence, you can get yourself a beach condo for 20% of 700 grand, so 140, 150 grand would be your down payment to get yourself into owning the Marriott Autograph Collection resort, and a property you can use for 90 days a year yourself. Just go in, log it, pull it in, and then the rest of the year it's in the rental pool. We rent it out just like every normal, beautiful hotel. The public will have no idea that you own whatever room number you own. You're just going to get on the 15th of every month, direct deposit into your account. About 55% of the income goes to the owner. The rest stays for the fees and Marriott and all that other stuff too. So that's kind of the high level You can hit the beachmakerresort.com. We'll pop a link so you can go on there. I've got a 39-minute deep dive on there with me going through the entire plan, the entire project, the entire hotel, everything sitting right there. I just want to kind of show you the evolution here, and soon we'll show you how the sales center looks once we have a key to get in and the guys are finished doing what they're doing. So we're excited. So yesterday, Teresa is part of our sales team, and Teresa's specialty is sitting down with the owners and answering their questions about the rentals, right? So there's a lot of questions about how does it work. Now, as a condo hotel, we as real estate professionals are not allowed to talk and project ROI, ROI, return on investment, right? Because we can't sell this as an investment or else it hits the SEC guidelines. So we are just selling the real estate. Now, Teresa works with the management company who is able to talk about what they're going to do from a management side of the world. So what she does is really, we spent a lot of time yesterday with her and the 6 dedicated salespeople that will staff this. So what we went through is there's a comp set, right? So this is what they do. They pick what is the competitive set of hotels or resorts. And it's tough, right? Because the reason why we're doing this is because there is not a competitive set and around. And here's the strategy behind this. So if I wanted to go to get a Mac Daddy suite and blow $1,500 a night for the weekend just to do it, and I where can I go, right? If those of you who live in this area know that the first thing comes to mind would probably be Clearwater Beach, St. Pete Beach, downtown Tampa, downtown St. Pete. I've got a ton of options. If I'm in Clearwater Beach, I've got probably 7 different places I can go do that tonight. So there's a really competitive environment over there. Now, if you come to the middle beaches where we are here, there is no other option. There's no other option that's going to be competitive with room types, with amenities, with features, with benefits, with furnishings, with fixtures, at the scale of the upscale that we're going to actually be. So it's difficult to say. I mean, look right here, we have a Cambria resort here. Cambria is a beautiful hotel, totally different level of what we're building, right? It's not better, right? What we're doing is not necessarily better. It's more upscale. It's for a different clientele. It's not a competitor, right? Our clients, our guests will not stay there. They're going to want to stay here, right? Because of the Marriott, because of the brand, because of the different levels of finishings and fixtures and experiences and staff and food and culinary experiences and wedding venues and multiple pools and fitness centers and logoyons and spas and everything that you want in a full-time resort, plus the sky bridge that takes you right over the most beautiful bridge on the planet. It's different. So what she does is takes 5 what she feels are the most competitive sets of properties, and then she goes through the historical data about what has been the average daily rate and those, and what has been the occupancy rate on those. Because then that is for the owner to say, okay, well, I'm going to use it for 90 days a year, or I'm not going to use it and I'm going to leave it 100% in the rental pool, or we're probably going to come for a week or 2 here or a month or 2 here. And then you do your own math to figure out if it's a worthy piece of real estate for you to own, right? So Teresa will be the liaison for the owners to the rental company, and there'll be an owner concierge that works after we open too. Because think about this. This is what a lot of buyers are loving this project for. So let's say you live in Tampa. Let's say you live in Lakeland. Say you live in Orlando. And you're like, you know what? I want a beach place. So your options are, let's go buy a beach place and go spend, I don't know, $1 million for what a decent place is going to cost over here right now. And that's what you can do. And you can hire a rental company. You can do that, put it in the rental pool, furnish it, clean it, take it, manage it, do your own thing. Great. A lot of people do that. Or you can do what we're building here. And this is why it's becoming very attractive and people are doing it. So let's say you live an hour and a half away. This is your new beach house. So you buy a unit. Let's say you bought a unit for 800 grand. Just pick that number. You're going to have to put 20% down. 20% of 800 grand is $160,000. Boom, 160,000 in title, the escrow company. And then now for the next 2.5 years, we're going to build this resort, and your unit is housed inside of this resort. Now, when it's open, this is what you get to do. You have it in the rental pool, either never come, just every 15th of the month, whatever comes in, you get 55% of this deposit to your account. Or you say, you know what, honey, boom, 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 let's go in, let's block it out, let's go over this weekend, let's go over next weekend. You can almost do every weekend. You have 90 days a year. So here's the experience. So you're like, all right, let's go. Boom, block it out. We're coming in on Friday. We're going to stay. We're going to leave Monday morning, take an extra day off work. We're just going to come play. Pull in, drive over. Now you have an owner's closet in your room. And what do you keep in your owner's closet? Whatever you want, but probably your favorite pillows, your toothbrushes, some bathing suits, maybe a little sundress, a change of clothes, and a couple bathing suits for your flip-flops, everything you need so you could just be here. Your favorite scotch, a couple bottles of wine, whatever you want in your owner's closet, it's yours. So now you cruise over, you pull into the valet, throw them your keys, go over, check in at the front desk and say, hi, I'm here. They know you, you're the owner, right? And you go up to your room, change, get your stuff on, go down, float in the pool, get a cabana, stop at one of 7 different places on site and get a cocktail, get some appetizers, enjoy your day, take the sky bridge over to the beach, go put your toes in the sand, go swim, watch the sunset, have a nice time, come back, get another drink, hang out, go to your room, stream your shows, put some Netflix on, enjoy your time, chill out, and then you know what, you wake up, leave the bed messy, right? Pick your stuff up, put it back in the owner's closet, go down, call the valet, get in your key, get in your car, go home, right? And then somebody checks in later that day and you're getting 55% of the revenue when they check in. And now you come back next weekend. Now, this is the experience that people really want. You don't want it. When you own a condo, this is a condo owning, but if you own a condo that you're responsible for maintaining it, who's changing the air filters? Who's going to see if there's any bugs in it before you arrive? Who's going to have to vacuum it before you go? Who's going to clean the sheets? You're working. You're coming to vacation and you're working. You're thinking about it. You're like, God damn it, the blender doesn't work. Oh, I have my key. Somebody took my corkscrew. Right? All the other stuff. I know, I've done it. It's annoying. So this is a whole different level of ownership for beach houses. So that's why and plus it's at Marriott, autograph collection, boutique, international brand, unbelievable, unparalleled with no competition around, with a wedding venue that's pointing right at sunset, which is going to staff a ton of occupancy, right? That's what we built it for, is to make this the place everybody wants to be. So super excited, super passionate about this, as you can tell. So as this progresses, we're going to walk you through the whole process, kind of show you what's going on sales-wise. And then I can't wait to have the equipment on site, showing you guys the demo. And then we'll take you all the way through every stage of construction until we do our little dry runs. The staff comes in, we're learning the back office and how the hotel operations run, and then until we do the grand open and the first guest comes and checks in. It's going to be phenomenal. It's going to be a great journey. Just giving you an update from June of 24 of a lot of work to be done, but we've got an amazing team. Everyone's working together, and very soon I'll be able to show you some better renderings of the rooms and the finishes, because a lot of time we're almost able to reveal. We have them, we just can't reveal them yet. It's coming really soon. So that's the Beachmaker update. See you guys soon. Thanks.